Shweta Prabhu joins us as Assistant Manager with Anand Rathi. Shweta, MCX is all set to make a big bang debut. Are you a bit surprised?
No, actually it was subscribed good 54 times and with good fundamentals and at reasonable valuation. I think it was expecting this kind of a premium. So MCX listing around 1350, 1400 looks good on the exchange.
So Shweta, what is it that you're advising your retail clientele at this point in time? What's a good level to buy, and what is the 1 month or rather 1 year time target that you're setting on MCX?
We are expecting around listing around 1350, 1400 levels. So for short-term investors, short-term retail investors, they can book profits at these levels. If they want to re-enter, they can re-enter around 1150, 1200 levels going forward. And for long-term investors as well, we could see some profit booking around 1500 levels. So long-term investors can book partial profits around 1500 levels because, you know, always booking profits at regular intervals will fetch you good returns. So long-term investors can book profits around 1500 levels, and maybe they can see a target around 1650 or so for a year end.
You just said that you expect the stock to come down to 1100 or 1200 levels. Why do you think stock will come down to 1200 if your long-term target is 1500 or 1600 plus?
No, it's just that, today is the first day of listing, so you may see some positive movements. Upbeat market is also upbeat today. But considering the market trend going forward on a conservative basis, I do think if you get levels around 1200, it would be a good entry point.
What about pure retail investors? Retail investors have got 8 shares.
Yeah.
Should they sell 4 and reserve 4?
Short term they can book profits, but I guess for long term they might get a good entry level going forward. So
what is a good entry level?
For them, I guess 1100, 1200 you can say. At
1500, what will be the P multiple of MCX?
1500 becomes around 23, 24 times, which is, globally if you see, they are trading around 17, 18 times. But Asian markets get a premium around 24, 25 times P they trail. So if it becomes 24, 25 times, it becomes a little expensive. So I guess they can book profits around 1500 level. We could see some profit booking.